Oh, that was good, huh? Whoa, was that cool? That was cool, huh? Whoa, that was cool. Oh, great. That was awesome. All right, anything going on? I love your outfit. It looks very cute. You're very cute. And let's, did your mom do your hair? Looks great. Used this with you before? We ever used this with you? Does that feel good? Feels weird? Look at your boots. They look very cool. They look very warm. Alright, we're going to press a little bit here. You might hear a little noise, okay? Oh, that was good, huh? Did you hear that? We're going to check your low back here. Okay, so looking. Okay, so this right side, I'm going to adjust you on this right side. Let's have you laying your side facing me. And then swing that arm over here. So you're laying over here. So I'm going to bring you up and pull your arm forward here. Just like that. I'm going to lay down here. We're going to listen to have some pops in your back. Think you got some popcorn in your back? Let's see here. Let's see this arm right there. You're doing great. You're doing really good. Whoa, is that cool? That was cool, huh? Let's lay on your back. We'll lay face up there. Look up, look up. Just like this, just like this. All right, we're just gonna check here. Just a little bit right there. Look that way. Whoa, that was cool. All right, how are you today, cutie? You doing good? All right, anything going on? Okay, we'll have you look down here. Your hair looks amazing, by the way, too. You think your mom will do my hair? No, no. Let's check your back here. Okay. All right, perfect. And I'm going to use this. We ever use this with you? Does that feel good? They're loud next door, huh? Let's double check. Alright, let's do a leg check. Alright, that looks great. So, all done. All done there, cutie. Good job. Okay. His ears haven't had no problems?
No.
And we just hold him a lot then? Is that what he did? Would he hold him a lot?
I'll put his fingers in there.
Oh, okay.
And then at night, flipping and flopping.
Okay, like crying a lot then?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. That's all for him. We'll get him on there and then.
Okay, well, have a seat, baby. Be careful.
You can put his jacket on.
You want to hold him so you don't
yeah, he likes the camera, so.
Okay, come here.
Alright, and how are you today then?
Doing all right. Have a seat.
Anything going on? Back, neck?
Well, on the table, like right here, is hurting a lot.
Oh, okay, go back there? Okay. Yeah, I can feel it all down here. See that?
Hey guys, have a seat or go play with the toys.
Yeah, stress will go right to your back. Oh, that was awesome. Let's go the other way. I'll face this way over here. Okay. lay face up. Check here. Alright. Oh goodness, yeah, you feel that right? Yeah, that was good. Alright, beautiful. That moved great, so thank you.